What happens to water when we heat it? What a simple question. Of course, it becomes steam, and when we cool it, it again becomes water. Now, this water is in which state of matter? It is a liquid, and when it becomes vapors, it is the gaseous state. You know, water is also found in the solid state as snow, ice, frost, etc. So, we find that water is in all the three states: solid, liquid and gas. Solid is ice or snow, liquid water in water bodies like sea, ocean, lakes, rivers and so on, and gas is the vapors. So, basically what we find is that in water cycle there are two processes. First is evaporation. For evaporation of water, you do not only need to boil it. Due to the general heat of sun also, constantly water is evaporating from various surfaces like wet clothes, ground and even plants and the water bodies. So, there is, these are the say water bodies, these are the plants, this is the soil. Now, what happens is that water is evaporating from sea or other water bodies, it is evaporating from plants where it is called transpiration. Transpiration is loss of water vapors from the surfaces of the leaves through stomata. From water bodies is evaporation, from soil also there is evaporation. So, as this water goes up, it forms clouds. When these water vapors at higher level they condense, they come back in the form of rain, or you can say precipitation. So, there is snowfall also when they freeze in the atmosphere itself or when there is hailstorm. So, this is what is water cycle, and the important thing to remember in water cycle is the balance, that is rate of consumption should be equal to rate of replenishment. As long as it is like this, there is no problem. In fact, this should be less, consumption should be less than replenishment. But now what is happening? It is becoming reverse. Rate of consumption is more.